Now everything is fine, good, guys.
Yes, Ravi, it's good.
Yes, good.
Okay. So good. So here what we are going to do now, guys. So here what? See this, okay? See this here. Here we are getting right this message, right? Because of why we are getting this message now. We wrote the logic in the service class as well as what in the controller. What we are using model memory.
Controller.
We are sending here on the UI, right? So because of that, see
Yes.
if what is that? If product is deleted, means if product is deleted. See this message. Which kind of message we are getting now? If product is deleted means what? Product deleted. 3 product is deleted now. We are getting message, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi, we got that. Yeah.
But what is
Yes.
same thing if you are refreshing this page, see the message will change. This message will change. See this, what? No product exists with ID, because this ID is deleted, right? This product is deleted because of that, what? No product we are getting, right? If ID is there, so if what ID is there, if we are deleting, see this again, mobile 20 test something. Now okay, now 4 record is there, right? Record number 4. If we click that, right? If we are clicking, just okay, no issue. See this here, okay? Just what I'm doing now, explicitly delete ID number. This one I'm taking out. So what? This ID is not exist.
Or
This ID is not exist. Then what we will get the message here now, guys? Product not exist, right?
product
Not
not
exist.
exist.
No, see, product not exist means what? This product is not there. Because of that, what? In the record, this product is there in the record. Come on, everyone. The 4th number, what? ID number 4.
No, no.
No, Ravi, it's not there.
Not there, that
No.
ID.
This ID is not there, right? Because of that, why we are what we are getting this message, right? Now,
Yes.
if record is there,
Sir.
means what is that? If we click on this one, this button, then what? 4 record is there. Then what we will get now? See the message. Now product is deleted. See this
Product
product.
deleted.
Now I hope you people are convinced.
Yes, Ravi, it's understood very clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So same like, guys. Okay, so same like, come to our era. One more thing is there na on the what? See this. Okay, what is that? Edit page is there, right? So okay, so no issue, because we commented, because of that we are getting error, right? Because of that we are getting the error now, guys. Okay, so good. So okay, so here what we will do now, in the error page, okay, come here. Now stop the server. Now come to product class. So uncomment it. Hey, what happened? Okay, now let's. Okay, good. Okay, so here what is that? Now remove is optional, right? Here optional, we have need to remove it, because in the what we can do it, just I'm thinking the logic, guys. Okay, how we can implement. I don't want to disturb this code, right? I don't want to disturb this code. Because of that, okay, do one thing, Control Z. Let's comment total code, right? Okay, good. Okay, so here what we will do now, already we wrote the service implementation classes methodology, right? Service class, this one is perfect. This one also perfect. But whenever we will click on the update method, right? Okay, update method, no issue. Okay, good. Delete after then what? Update method, right? We have need to call this method. Okay, good, no issue. Okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, so the logic is fine. So come to our controller class for the let's this is the old code, guys. Okay, this is the old code. Which one we write for the which one already we wrote about what? Our editable form. Yesterday we seen that editable form, how we can edit the data. Come on, everyone,
Yes.
right? How we can edit
Yes,
the
sir.
edit form, right? Edit form. So for that, this is this code we wrote, right? Yesterday.
Yes, you wrote yesterday.
Okay, so let's write to it, right? I'm changing something, some changes I'm going to do in this one, right? This code will be there. Now I'm going to take one more again. What is that? Public, what is that? String edit product data, right? Now return null, just return null here. Later we will do that, okay? So here what I'm going to do now, after then what? At the rate, sorry, get mapping.
Get mapping.
Inside that I'm taking what? Edit slash
Edit.
edit, right?
Slash edit.
Okay, so okay, after then what? How we are reading the data from the what form? Sorry, one data. How we can read it? So copy the same things, okay? Same things and paste it here. After then what we will do now? Next one is what? Path we taken, right? Take the same code here in this method, right? Same operation we are going to do now, but just avoiding the exception for that. Okay, so after then what? Okay, so here what we will do now, we will take again try catch block, right? This code here is there, right? This code. Okay, I will do the some changes in this code. Okay, so here let's take the try after then what? Catch block. Inside that catch block, let's already we product not found.
Product not found exception.
Yes, good. So after then what we will do now? Here what is that optional class we took, right? The same thing. So what we will do now? Here also we will call the same method, right? Service dot what?
Sir.
Get
Get one product.
one product plus what? ID, right? This ID we will pass here.
Yes, ID. ID.
After then here only what we will return? We will return that what? Product editable form, right? Product, what is that? Product editable page, right? Here we will return it. So here what we are returning? Product edit, right? So same things what? We will copy this one and we will paste here only. Okay, we will return the same page only. Okay, good. So after then what? After then, but we have need to send the model, right? Model data also, right? See this one also we have need. Okay, then we will return it. Okay, yeah. Okay, fine guys. So okay, so next what we will do now? Same thing in the exception, right? In the exception, if any exception is occurred, right? In any exception is occurred means what? Else block we taken here, right? Here we taken the else block. Here optional class we are not using, guys. Okay, here we are not using optional class because we wrote what is that? We taken the return of what? Here get one object, right? One product for what? Service class. In the service class what we are taking now? We are taking the one product, right? So sorry for that. Here we will hold this product also.
Product something else.
Yes. Okay, good. So now fine, next what we will do now, here come here, right? Now here inside that what again we will take we will list of, because this page we are redirecting here. See this all page, right? All means what? All data, right? This page we are returning what? But this page except expectation is what? List of data, right? Come on, this page is expectation is what? List of data
Yes.
also, right?
Yes.
Yes.
List of data. Yeah.
Okay, so come to Eclipse ID now. So those code we will write in the what? We will write in the catch block, guys. Okay. So what is that service? Service dot what? Service dot what? Get all. Get all product, right? It will return what? List of,
List of product.
yes.
Product.
List of what? Product now, guys. Okay, good. So after then what we will do now? What we will do now? We will pack one error message right here only. So here what? Model dot,
Model dot add attribute.
yeah, add attribute.
We have to
Inside that,
pass like
yeah, inside
MS
that
MS message. Yeah. List.
just MSG, MSG, right? Message. After then what we will do now here?
Yes.
We will whatever exception
List.
will come here. No, here we will not.
E dot message.
E dot get message. Good. Get message.
Get
Get,
message.
yeah, we will convert that error inside that message. After then we will send this list also, right? We will send this list also. So what is that? Model dot add attribute
Add attribute.
list of list.
We have to pass to list.
Yes. After then same things what we will do now here.
Return path equal to list. Edit path.
Product data. Now here we will return the path. Okay, fine. So now I'm commenting this code. I commented now. Same code only, but yesterday we used what? Yesterday we used what? Optional class, but here what? We are converting that exception in the user understandable format now, guys. Okay. So now come to our what? Come to again. Let's run our application now, guys. Now run. Okay. Click here. Okay, mobile and what? 22 RK something now. Okay. Now click the view all, right? Now, okay, good. So here what I'm going to do now, I'm going to edit the form, right? I'm editing the page, right? So here what we taken the mobile, right? So mobile. So here mobile. Okay, no RK technology. As RK we took an Oracle. Take the Oracle. Now update it. See the Oracle. Its data is updated right here. Data is updated. Come on, everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, update.
Okay, so now, but what I'm going to do now, again here, I'm going to take this one, right? But here what? ID number one is, we are going to update it here, right? But if here we will change it, what? 5. And what? The 5 record is not there in the database. Is it there?
Is not there. Yeah.
Yeah, so now we will,
Not there.
Not there.
yeah, so if not there, then a certain what we will
Product
here,
not exist.
here product not exist. We are getting the message or
Not
not?
existing.
Product not exist.
Yes.
Yes.
Previously we are getting just this page only, right? Previously we are getting this page only and we are not getting any message, right? So here what we did now, guys, here we converted that message. By seeing this message, what our end user can able to understand or not, this product is not exist in our application.
Yes,
Yes,
understand.
they can't understand.
Okay, so now, okay, good. So now again, what is that series? If the end user will refresh also, right? Refresh also, then series nothing, means same message is there now, guys. So like this, we are handling the exception. If see this, if we are not handling, right? If we are not using custom exception, if we take here, right here 6, then what we will get? We will get what? Error page. Okay, by default, what is that? 4 not 500 error we will get. Okay, but here we are not getting that 500 error because we used what? Custom exception now, guys.
Because yeah, we using custom exception.
Now everyone. Sudhir.
Yes, it's clear now.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Yes. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So now are you ready to see the pagination? Still, I will do the changes in the controller, guys. Okay. Now in this time, I will do the changes inside 1 minute controller, because I'm going to implement what? The all is there, right? All data, all controller. This all controller is there, right? All controller. In this one, in this controller, I'm going to do the some changes, right? I'm going to do some changes, but the one question is, guys, okay, how many people still remember our data JPA pagination concept?
Yeah, remember it.
Okay, because you know that much depth, I will not go, guys, here. Okay, just I will use the concept, and whatever in the front end in the controller, whatever concept is not I explain in what a data GP, those concepts I explain here related to what? Our MBC related to pagination things I will explain.
Pagination.
But if you are expecting, I will explain what I will explain what like our how I explain in the data GP the concept I can't, guys. Okay, this expectation is there, then forget it. Watch our what data GPA pagination concept, right? So okay,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, in that class string path equal to null you mentioned somewhere, and you path you assign some values, no sir, some message.
Yes. Yes, you are talking about this one, right?
Where that message is going to be displayed, sir? It is not going to display anywhere, na?
This message. What I'm
Yes.
returning here, what I'm returning here.
Product edit and product data.
So okay, so product I'm returning, right? So at the 1 minute. So if this block is executing successfully, so in this what variable, what our like application will hold now, what our application will hold, can you tell? If just think about that. Oh, 1 minute, just think about that. If this block, if try block is executing successfully, right? If try block is executing successfully, means what? This data will store, right? Come on, means what? This logical name will store, right? Please talk to me.
This if try block is going to be hello.
Yes.
Sir, try block is execute path equal to product ID is going to be displayed, sir. But model dot attribute means it will going to be into the UI page. It will be displayed, no sir. Whatever the content is this there in the product
Chandu,
category.
right? Chandu, yeah, Chandu. Today our first session.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Today your first session, right? So 1 minute. What
Sir.
about other? 1 minute. No issue. Chandan. Okay. So because what about other today? Unmute yourself.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
Sudhir, you are understanding these things?
Yes, it is clear, Ravi.
No,
I understood.
Just don't say it's clear, right? After then, what I'm doing now here, returning the path now.
Yes,
so-
yes.
so- sorry,
I understood
Sorry,
that.
sir, I understood. I didn't saw the
Huh?
written statement. Sorry.
I understood
Sorry, sir.
that.
83 line I didn't see, sir, up to now. Sorry, sir.
It's okay, it's okay.
Sorry,
So,
sir.
you
83
know,
line I didn't see up to now.
yeah, so here what is that, if the data is success, MBC flow, how many people are remember, guys? Please see that. Okay, see here what this logical page name I'm returning, right? First, if I'm not taking this path equal to null, so then see this block is different and this block is different. From this block I'm returning what? Different page. See this different page. If any exception will occur, right, means what?
Yeah.
Our control will go to what? This page, and what? This page will store in this path, right? After then what will happen? We will return back to what?
Yes.
This page, right?
Yes, sir. I didn't saw
Ravi,
that
it's
83
clear.
line up to now. Sorry, sir.
Sorry.
I didn't saw that 83 line up to now. Sorry, sir.
Yeah, it's okay. So something you are saying, Sudhir?
No, I'm saying it's clear. I understood that. It is very clear. I'm saying.
So see this, if a two page, if we are writing, if in the our method, if we are taking two different block, because try block is different and catch block is different, right? So what we will, if we return what, if any exception is there, if we not hold that page inside this variable, so what will happen now? This, if the successful, if our information will go successful, then we can, what is that, this page will execute. But if we are not holding, right, then what will happen now? If any exception occur, what? Then this page will not execute, na? So because of that, I took what? Path equal to null. And what is that? If this block is successfully executing, means what? Product, here it will become product. If this block is executing, then what? At the time runtime, what will happen? Product that data will become here. And what? The same things, path I'm returning now.
Yes, Ravi. Yes. It's very clear.
Okay, Vijay, something you are saying? Okay, search through ID and export from okay, don't worry. In Spring Boot MVC, you people think about it. What is your expectation? Okay, if you learn from any faculty, those people, this mini project will not see. This is the small mini project, but this is the small project only, right?
Correct, Ravi. That's true.
Yes. Okay, good. So, okay, guys. So now pagination. Let's implement the pagination. Are you ready to implement the pagination concept in our application?
Yes, Ravi. We are ready. Ready.
Yes,
Ready.
ready now.
Okay. Okay, good. So let's implement it, guys. Okay, let's implement it. So, okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys. So see this here, what come to our what all method, right? All method is there, right? Where this method, right? This one is there, right? To show the all data, right? Whenever we are clicking on the what, whenever we are clicking on what, add, after then, okay, I stop the server now because of that. Okay, so okay, just think about 1 minute. Okay, whenever I'm clicking that all, which method is executing, guys, in the controller? Anybody? This method, right? Who is the new in the session, guys? Okay, I'm not expecting the answer from you people, but who yesterday was there in the session? Please give the response, guys. Okay.
Sure.
Which method is returning this page, guys? Let me know that this page.
All
All products.
all. All
this,
product.
this method, right?
Get all product.
Yes. Get all product.
Because of this method only we can able to what find this page na. Come on.
Display all
Yeah.
Yes.
So
rows.
which one whenever we are clicking on this link, right, whenever we are view all is there, right, whenever we are clicking on this view all, which method is executing in our controller?
Product.
Get all product.
This
Get
one,
all
right?
product method is going to be executed.
Okay, so get all
Yeah.
method. Yeah, so good. So now come to service IMPL, right? So for that, which abstract method we wrote? This one, right?
Yes. Get all product.
Okay, so I'm doing the okay, leave this one, right? Leave this method like as it is. Okay, as it is. I'm increasing the same method only, but I'm taking what is that different, right? Different one more. But here, what is that return type is what? Here return type is what? List is there, right?
List of product. List.
List,
Yes.
list is there, right? So, but what is that? But here we will take what is that? Get all what is that? Get all product. Product and what is that? Products, right? Products. Yeah, let's take product. And here it will be argumented. I hope the people are remembered. Guys, who is not remembered, right? Who is the new in the session today? My data JPA video is there, right, on our YouTube channel. Go through that, you will get the clear picture about that, whatever object I'm going to use it here, right? So what is that? Pageable, right? Pageable. Anybody has heard about this object, guys? Anyone listen this pageable object? Sudhir?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's
Pagination
equivalent
concept.
sorting repository.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so now after then what I will take now? It's return type. I will take page, right?
Yeah.
Page of product. Control C. Okay, so this one also will do the same things. Okay, same things, but what will happen now? It will what? It's having the capacity to what? Sort the page as well as what to perform the what? To perform what? Our pagination, right? So for that, what is that?
Yes.
Return type is what? Page. Return type is what? Page, and its argument will take what? Pageable, right?
Pageable object.
Pageable object,
Yes.
right? So
Yes.
now
Yes.
come to our its implementation class. Now Artscape S plus B, I'm overriding that one only, right? So here what I'm going to do now, so here we will call the find R, right? So how we can find the record now? R record. So already we wrote, right? See the list of, right? List of what? So call this, come here, paste inside this method, same only, right? Nothing more than else. Okay, so good. So, but here what we will take now? Here we will take the page argument. Here we will take the page argument, and here if we take the page argument in the method, here return type will be.
It will return to the page.
Or do one thing.
Page of product.
Yes. So return direct. Return here. Return it direct. Find all. I hope the find all method it's taking the argument, pageable argument also in the data JPA. I already explained it, guys. Okay, no problem. So tell me, guys, how many people want to explain again this concept? Okay, again, how many people want? Raise your hand or just use the chat box. Okay, I want to see that. I have need to explain it as well. Use the chat box.
I am having a single doubt, sir. Sir, I am having single doubt. Sir, pageable we are writing okay, but 1, 2, 3 that you numerical numbers we have to print. If you want to display, na sir, we have to write any logic or by default it will come by using the pageable class.
And not a pageable class, right? Those things will come in the page using what is that page interface. That what is that? I hope the people are remember in the page I said that some metadata also will come. It will return some
Yeah.
metadata. What is that metadata? Is last page, is first
Page number is
page
last.
number,
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
page number. People are remember or not, guys? This line, whatever wording I'm taking, has
Yeah.
a
Yes,
data,
remember.
has a next, has a last, has a previous. This metadata I explained, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi, we
get
remember, we
total
remember.
pages, get numbers.
Mhm.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, remember.
remember, right? This okay. So in the, I said that in the page some metadata also will come, and even I use there what is that SOPLN, right? System data out that println. But here I'm going to use the what this UI, using UI page. And even at that time I told also, right? In the future, these things I'm taking in the SOPLN. In the future, this will come on the UI page. People are remember this word?
Yes, sir.
So only one request to you people, guys. Okay, already in the data JPA, we spend a lot time. Even Hibernate concept also I explain in our data JPA, right? So please watch it. Okay, watch it. Then you will get what clear picture about this one. Okay, clear picture about this one. So now good. So okay. So now our service class is ready now, guys. Okay, come to our controller now. Come to our controller now, guys. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, here in the controller, right? In the controller, the things will be the same only, guys. Okay, so shall I comment this one or shall I write in this one only? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's implement here only, right? So here what we will do now, whenever we will enter, right? Whenever the data we will send it, right? So whatever the data will be there on the page, right? So we will specify by default, right? What is that? One annotation is there. What is that? @pageable default, right? @pageable default, right? Pageable default. @pageable default, right? This one will take what is that? This one will take what is that? Page size equal to 0. Initial 0. After then what? Page, sorry, page, yeah. First, it will start from the 0, and what size, whatever we will give the size of the page, right? Whatever size of page, just I'm giving what? 3. If you want to give 5 also, you can give, right? So I hope I was explaining like this. Okay, so how much content we want, like in the page, right? This is the page. In the page I want to show the 3 record, 0 to 3 record. So for that, what we will give now, guys, here what we will give in the argument, if you want to show the 3 record, so you will give the 3 record. After then, by default, this one is the 0 only, right? It will take from the 0, right? So for that, which annotation I'm taking now? Pageable default now, guys. Anyone catching the things now, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so no, don't worry. After completing, right, whenever we will see that what as a reality, then you people will get the clear picture about this one. I will show this one, right? I will show this one why I'm taking now. Okay, good. So after then what? Again, what we will do now? Again, we will take what? Pageable, right? Pageable. Now model. Sudhir, please you mute yourself, unmute yourself. Sudhir, are you there? Shamita. My voice is clear, guys. Are you listening now?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
It's audible.
I think Sudhir is not there in the session, right? He's there now, but I think he's somewhere.
There.
It's okay, no issue. So, okay, so here what is that? Pageable, right? Pageable. We will take the pageable. Pageable equal to what is that? Size. This is the specific. We are specifying the size of what page. Our page sizes we are specifying now, guys. Okay. So after then what we will do now? Just let's remove it here now. Okay. So after then what service? Service dot what? Service dot what? Get all, right? Get all method we will call. Which one we will call? The pageable argument, right? So inside that what we will do now? We will pass it this page. This page we will pass it now, guys. Okay, so then what is that? This method will return what? Page of product, right? Come on.
Page of product.
Yeah.
Yes.
Page of what? Page of what? Product now, guys. Okay.
Product.
Page of product. What is that page? Controls. Yeah. You know why yesterday I was not explaining. First I constructed what the project. After then I said that I will implement that, because I know that whenever I will explain these things, okay, people will not like easily these things will not come, because the last session whoever completed the practical, those people only can understand, except that you know who the just there in the session, those people cannot catch up. Even if I if I hit my brain also, right, to make the people understand the people, because it's need what last session practical, then people can understand now, guys. Okay, so even these things already I explained it, right? It's not meaning that see that get find okay pageable, it's written the page object in the data GPA I completed, right?
Yes, completed data JP.
Yes, so again on that day also I told the people, okay, do the practical at least what, complete our data JPA and because in the Spring MVC I will use it. So okay, no issue, guys. So here what is that? Pageable. Because of that, the only two to Raj and Manjulata is giving the response in the session today, right? Except that the people are just listening. Yeah, hi Padma. You are today so late, right? You are late, right?
Yeah, last night.
It's okay, no issue.
I was.
Okay, but you know, Padma,
I was practicing Spring MVC, so
yes, actually I completed.
I went to bed late little bit.
Yes, okay. I completed custom exception in application, okay, and now I'm implementing pagination. Okay, no problem. Okay, so see this. Okay, you will enjoy the session. Okay, so here what is that? We are getting what? Page, right? Pageable service, right? Service dot what? Get product, right? Okay, good. So okay, fine now, guys. See this, guys, this is the hard work, right? The person already is there in the different time zone, and what, see this, think about that. There, you know, 4 o'clock morning is happening, 3 or 4 o'clock, but still the person are dedicated to what? Think about yourself. Okay, do the practical, guys. Do the practical. Without practical, nothing will come. Okay, so here what? Page product is there, right? Page product and what? Service dot get all product, right? Service dot what? Get all product. So okay, fine now, guys. So here what we will do now? So after then what we will do now? We will return what is that list, right? So what is that? Model dot what? Model.
Dot
Yeah.
add attribute.
Yeah.
Add attribute.
Add attribute, right? Add attribute. So here what I'm doing now? List, right? List. After then okay.
Page.
Yeah, here page, no, but if we return direct page, right, then what will happen now? Our page will not return list, right? Inside that, what is that? One method is there in the page. 1 minute, I will show that, guys. Okay, open the page
Get
declaration.
content.
Very good. I think
Get
Manjulata,
content.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very nice. Very good, very good. So what method is there now in the slice? Come in the slice page. Okay, what is that? Get content.
Get
Get
content.
content method.
Yeah. So what it
Yeah.
will return now? This method will return what? List of what? What is the